The songs that you've written, are they written for the Mollag Band, or do you just write the songs and if they fit the Mollag Band, you play them?
Mostly, I suppose, for the Mollag Band, although I very often would just write a song and then I would ask the girls to harmonise or to work on, say, a chorus or an instrumental, and then the boys would put their drums and bass and rock and roll behind it as well. But some songs I have worked at for the whole band, but usually just a song. And I think after years that if the song stands up by itself, then it will probably make a better song. After saying that, though, some songs do work well with all of the arrangement and don't necessarily then stand up as a song you would just sing by yourself.
Over the years you've recorded on several occasions, originally for an LP as it was, Celtic Rock, and then subsequently a couple of cassettes came out. How are you able to choose the material that you've used on the recordings?
I think that we've recorded everything. We have recorded everything, although we didn't necessarily put everything on to the various publications that we've put out for one reason or another, mostly that perhaps the final thing didn't stand up. But we started recording, apart from the thing for Celtic Rock, we started recording in the early 90s with Anglin in his front room. It was great fun. It's a great process, recording. It's like an art in itself. And over the years I've got into that more and more. And in fact the latest stuff that I've done with Staa, which is a family group, and also with the Mollag Band, I've really very much got into the artistic and creative side of just the recording process as I've been doing it more and more myself. In fact, at times I've disappeared for weeks and months working on some of the recording. And looking back to the second cassette that we did have some great fun, especially in the Megasaurus one with whipping noises. We spent all afternoon one day trying to find out how to make the best whipping noise, and it was a little branch that we got from the garden against a cushion. You actually got the sound of the whip through the air and the slap onto the cushion, but great fun. And then another one where we were trying to get the effect of a telephone, and I said at the time, why don't we just do it through the telephone? But oh, no, we were experimenting with crackling crisp packets and things like that. But yeah, great fun.
One of the songs that you haven't recorded, not issued, is the one that generally starts the Mollag Band set, and that's the Sellafield song.
Right, well, we have recorded that years and years ago, but it was one of those ones which didn't really make the grade at the time. Very, very different to what we do now. But that was a song of comment about wind scale and Sellafield. No, although we've recorded it twice and neither one has really come up to scratch, but maybe we should put that down as as one of the first to try again when we get back into the studio, hopefully later this year.
What would you say was the difference between the music you'd be making with the Mollags and with Staa?
The Mollags is mostly my own material. I call it songs of political and social comment, songs of everyday occurrence, whatever that is, and love songs. A lot of the stuff, the Mollag Band, is in English, although some of it is Manx or has been translated into Manx. I've tried writing in Manx and I don't have enough to do it justice, so I write most of my songs in English and then get help to translate either all of them or bits of them. Staa is mostly traditional material, although latterly we have gone on to write some of our own songs for Staa. Mostly traditional Manx material and or stuff which is in Manx. One of the latest ones we've done, which was one of my son's homeworks, he wrote this poem which was rather good, I thought, and a part of my Manx class we translated it into Manx, and then my daughter had this little hook on the harp which I then took and made into this song. So there must have been half a dozen different influences in this song, but it was in Manx.
Kishtey, Yindyssyn, Kishtey, Yindyssyn, Jin Tekna Chicken, Trainer Shield now, Lesh Fail Ganger, as to the Diamond, Jin Lays Runner as Crown, La 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 La, Kishtey, Yindyssyn, La 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 La, a glassed jail.